Now we'll edit the color. So we go layer, new adjustment layer, color balance, and press OK. And you change it to a color you want. I'm going to be using a yellower color. Might just be a little too yellow. About there. And you can mess around with the layer again. That looks kind of cool, but maybe duplicate the layer, set one to normal and one not, and brush around, remove any unwanted parts. I'm going to turn the opacity down a bit. That looks pretty good. Now I'll go layer, new adjustment layer, curves. And mess around with the curves a bit. That looks pretty good. Now we'll make the next layer visible. We'll go filter, distort, ripple. Where's ripple? Ripple. Set them to small and set it to about 400. Then we will go filter, sharpen, sharpen, and we will set that mode to lighten. And we will put it or we'll just turn the opacity down, I guess. Yep. Now we'll make a new layer and go layer or image, apply image. And we will set that one to dissolve and put the opacity way down. That will give us some dots. We'll duplicate it once and move the other duplicated part over. Merge the two and turn the opacity down a bit more. We'll put it down below our picture and turn the opacity down a bit. Actually, I'm going to undo that. I'm going to turn the opacity down to 1 on each side instead of 7. And then I'm going to merge them. Or not even merge them, actually. It messes it up a bit. I will just move them down. Now it's time to get another C4D render or stock image. This time we want more of a shiny kind. So if I'm sure, I think this one, yeah. I'm gonna put it about there. That actually looks pretty good. If I set that to overlay, that itself looks really good. I like that, actually. I'm just gonna turn the opacity down a bit. I'm gonna turn the opacity to that overlay I just made. And that looks pretty good. Take out one more C4D. I'm gonna duplicate that one once and move it over to the other side. I think I'll duplicate one more time and put some more like that. And that ends part 1 of the C4D Wicket tutorial. In order to view part 2, you simply go to www.gamerstavern.net and click on the forum button right here, and you register. It will be in the tutorial section down here once you register. Hope to see you there.